achievements like a
Good
Technograde.
Good team. What?
Achievements. I congratulate you for your achievements in technology.
Who made me clap on the day of annual day. I remember Asha and one more student. I expect that in a final exam also you will crack some more records.
I'll talk to you in 5 minutes. Arey, this thing is going on. I'm recording something. Okay, chal.
Also, I am thankful for handling this lab. And all the best wishes for your final exams and rest of the life.
दिवाली के
बोलना पड़ता है कि शट डाउन करो। तुम लोग को बहुत काम रहता है इसलिए तुम लोग बोलते हैं नहीं सर रोको जरा, नहीं सर रोको, बोलते नहीं सर बंद करो अभी।
हाँ, ये जो राइट दिवाली के कीमत
बहुत का ग्रेट स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो मैं इतना ही बोल सकता हूँ कि बेस्ट विशेष फॉर यू।
थैंक यू
But you have to go and you have to explore the new things, and the responsibilities are there with you. So you have to, especially for girls, they have to balance their life.
What happened?
The sky is the limit for you people like that.
Yay!
Thank God today we have at least just one page of
Again, I have to read out because I really can't teach like our wonderful teachers can. Have you ever wondered why it takes a minute to say hello, but forever to say goodbye? My speech won't go on forever, but still, it's an interesting question. I remember all the hellos like they happened yesterday. The first few days of nervousness being in a new place, the horrible time spent in drawing submissions, the nightmares known as vivas, still want to go. Football matches against IT, courtesy of Rao. Struggling to stay awake during the 9 o'clock lectures. Actually, all the lectures. Every single memory is probably as fresh as the Musambi juice I just had before coming here. That really begs the question as to why I remember all of this, even though I don't know what the difference between a static and a global variable is. I'm sure most of my friends here today would share this feeling with me. Why is it that we remember when our teachers shouted at us, but we don't remember the equations they taught in class? Why do we have no recollection of entire subjects, but remember every free lecture and joke shared with our professors? While an easy answer to all of this will be that we did not pay attention in class. But actually, we love our teachers more as people a million times than the subject matter that they teach. Kiran ma'am on Valentine's Day, when she shared a poem with us, when she threw some students out of class. Renu ma'am's wonderful gesture when she showed us a movie and distributed chocolates on Vishaka's birthday. Dhole sir's time with us on the Manali trip. Dhole ma'am's words on traditional day, we'll never forget that. Ramteke ma'am, Sunday Viva, I've never forgotten. These are just few of the wonderful memories that we have all shared with our teachers. Sitting in this room, we have with us future MS graduates from the best colleges, management gurus of tomorrow, and people who will join the leading software companies of the world. Every one of us must have cribbed about the system at least once during these 4 years. But trust me, we are all better off we were 4 years ago, both as engineers and more importantly as human beings. But 100 times more important than what we have learnt in these past years are the friends we have all made. It is rightly said, each friend represents a world in us, a world possibly not known until they arrive. And it is only by this meeting that a new world is born. I am fortunate enough to say that through the friends sitting here today, I have visited worlds that all the airplanes and spaceships couldn't reach. From the fantasy world of Counter-Strike to the food paradise of Shetty's, from the snowy plains of Manali to the local Old Trafford that is the Bhavan's ground. And Techno Break, who can forget the chants of They still bring goosebumps even today. A few months from now, we will forever say goodbye to these magical words and begin a new and exciting phase of our lives. We will face new challenges, meet new people, explore new horizons. But trust me on this, ain't no way that any one of us gonna have this much fun ever again. A sad thought, yes, but then goodbyes are always sad, aren't they? But what makes this goodbye all the more difficult is we are saying goodbye not just to a couple of friends, to a college building, to a project lab, or to some coaching class teachers. We are saying goodbye to people who have touched our lives. We are saying goodbye to our lives. Now before I get too emotional, I would like to remind everyone of one gift that we should have with us, no matter where we go and what we do. The second gift. The gift will bring us back to our glorious college days in an instant. The gift is powerful enough to bring smiles even when we are in tears. We all have the gift of our memories at SPC, and we shall have this gift for as long as we live. And this gift makes saying this goodbye a bit easier and gives us a little bit of courage to face our lives ahead. As someone rightly said, a goodbye is never painful unless you're never going to say hello again. So let's say goodbye, but let it not be the last one.
Just doing an extempore thing. It's just like we from the last bench guys. Maybe we have a bad impression and all that stuff, but we still share all the same feelings that the others share. Other than that, yeah, it's a goodbye, but we also would miss all this, our professors, our lectures, being thrown out of class, So this is a, we would like to say goodbye to everyone, but at the same time, we would just like to say that we have a lot of good memories of our experience in SPC, and I definitely say SPC rocks.
Basically, I really want to thank all of you. You guys have been most cooperative. leadership classes a lot, especially rocket launcher. I mean, I call it. So this class never has comms been so vocal and so cool, and I really thank you guys for that.